Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing an Ulta haul. I did get some new goodies from Ulta, and I'm also including a few products that I got sent to me in PR. So I know you guys love my haul videos. You guys know I love to film them for you guys because it's really fun to go shopping, and plus I'm trying out new products. So if you want to see what I got from Ulta, then of course let's get started. Alright, so before I get started, I do have two other products that I have in my Ulta bag that I'm not going to share with you guys in this video because I do want to do another video where I feature those products in it, well, those two products in it, but I will feature everything else in this video. So starting off, the first product is going to be by Makeup Revolution. You guys, I have been on the hunt for this freaking foundation, and for some reason my Ulta, so they have the new display setup of the new collection, but there's nothing on it, and I'm like, where is the product? So I had to go to a totally different Ulta to actually pick up a few things in the collection. So I did get their new foundation. This is going to be the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I have it in the same color called F13. You guys know I have their stick foundation and I have it in F13 as well, so I did get the same color because the undertones on the website pretty much match my undertones. So yeah, I cannot wait to try this product out, and I will be doing like a full face of first impressions with a few of these products, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video coming up really soon. So yeah, if you have tried this out, let me know your thoughts on it because I've seen nothing but good reviews on it thus far. So let me know your thoughts on this product. Alright, next product from them is going to be their lip toppers. I have it in the one called Luxurious, which is this one right here. The packaging is so freaking pretty, and I told myself to just get one, but I did get both. The next one is going to be the one called Exquisite, and here is Exquisite right here. And let me go ahead and open it up so I can swatch it for you guys. These cost $6. I want to say $6, so it was super inexpensive. And y'all know I'm a sucker for a good lip topper. Here is the applicator for it, and then here is the swatch. So it's almost like a milky kind of color. It almost reminds me of like Rihanna's I want to say it's called like Diamond Veiled or something like that, her little like her new lip gloss. So yeah, this one is called Exquisite, and there it is swatched on my hand. I'm not going to be wearing these by itself. It will be used exactly as what it's for, which is a lip topper. And here is the swatch of Luxurious, which I think is going to be my favorite one because it's a more of like a yellow gold undertone, whereas the other one is like a silver kind of silver undertone. So here is Luxurious right here on my hand. So again, those two are going to be by Makeup Revolution. If you guys love lip toppers, definitely check it out. I think it's really cute. It's fun. It's affordable, so definitely try it out. And then moving on, my next product is going to be by Revlon. It is the Photo Ready Candid Foundation. I have mine in the color called 540 Walnut. Here is the foundation right here. They had actually like a nice color range of colors to choose from. I'm not going to sit here and say it's the best, but it's better than most brands. So the one I chose was F40. I love the fact that there's a pump on it, so you can control how much product comes out. And I also got the concealer to match. This is going to be the Photo Ready Candid Antioxidant Concealer. I have mine in the color called 050. It's medium deep. So here is the concealer and here is the foundation. So let me know if you guys want to see the Makeup Revolution one first, or if you want to see the Revlon. Let me know because I do have two foundations. So let me know which one you really want to see me use on camera. Alright, so moving on, I do have quite a few products from Morphe, but I do want to show you this one product by Maybelline. It is going to be the Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Topaz. For the longest, I told you guys I wanted to get my hands on this one. I have Molten Gold, I have Molten Peach, but Molten Topaz was the one that I really wanted to get my hands on. At my Walmart, there was always sold out. I didn't want to get it from Ulta unless I had a coupon because you guys know Walmart is cheaper. So I eventually had a coupon and I was able to get my hands on it. So I do have Molten Topaz, and I cannot wait to just dive into this one. Alright, moving on, I have a few products from Morphe. Oh, let me show you this last product by Makeup Revolution first. It's going to be their Retro Luxe Matte Lip Kit. I have mine in the color called Echelon, and they had a few other colors. It wasn't like the most colors to choose from, but it was more than enough. I think the packaging is really cute. It almost reminds me of like the Kylie lip kit. And then inside you do get the lip product, and you also get a lip pencil. So again, I have it in the color called Echelon. Let me swatch it for you guys. All right, so here is the color right here. It's like a pinky nude kind of color. I almost feel like it might be a little bit too light to wear on its own, but it's still a really pretty color. And here is the lip pencil. It's still closed off, but the color is probably going to be the same. You get the lip pencil and the liquid lipstick. So if you haven't tried out their lip products, go ahead and check it out. They have a few colors you can choose from. I haven't tried it out before, so I can't like tell you if it's good or not, but I definitely will be trying this out really soon. I'll keep you guys posted on it. All right, so moving on into Morphe. I got a few of their products because my Ulta have Morphe in store, so I kind of figured let me just try some products out because I typically don't shop online for makeup that much. I'm more of like an in-store kind of shopper unless I really have to have it, then I'll shop online. So I did get the Morphe High Impact Highlighter in the one called Mirage. Here is the packaging for it. Now the first time I went to my Ulta, this one that I wanted was pretty much sold out, and I just kind of felt like all the stuff I wanted was sold out, and it was always the ones that was meant for like your deeper skin tones was sold out. So I had to go like on several different trips for me to actually get it because I had to wait for them to restock it. So I do have my hands on it now, and here is what it looks like. So matte black packaging. Then when you open it up, here is what the product looks like. You get so much product in here, and I want to say it was really affordable. And then you also get a nice mirror on top. And let me just swatch it. It feels so smooth. Look at that. This one was the deepest one that they had, so I kind of figured, you know what, it should work for you because it's the deepest one. The other ones look a little bit too light. So here is it swatched on my hand. It's so freaking pretty and blinding. I cannot wait to just put it on my face because swatching it, it feels so silky smooth. Can you guys see that? Really pretty. All right, so then moving on to the next product is going to be the High Impact Highlighter. This one I saw like when you check out. It's called Spark, and it was so inexpensive for like the smaller one. All right, so here is the smaller one called Spark. Again, it was so inexpensive. And then here is the inside. I feel like it might be a little bit too light, but let's find out. It almost reminds me of like the Maybelline peach one. So it's like a champagne-y kind of color, which is right here. So it's really pretty. So if it's too light, I might just end up mixing it with something else to make it more wearable. But once I actually put it on my face, of course, I will know if it's too light or not. But swatching it, it reminds me of like a champagne kind of color. So we shall definitely see. And then the next one is going to be, again, by Morphe. It is the liquid lipstick in the color called Nibble. Here is the packaging. And I wanted to get my hands on it, but again, they were sold out. So I had to wait for it to get restocked, go back and get it. And I eventually got it. I love the packaging. It's like a frosted kind of bottle, so I think it's really pretty. And then here is the color, which is so pretty. It's like a burgundy fall color. It is so freaking cute. It's definitely my kind of color, and I'm curious to see how it's going to actually wear on the lips in terms of if it's going to be like super matte. Is it going to be drying? Is it going to be comfortable to wear? So that I'm definitely curious to find out. And then I got a few brushes from them. I got 5 brushes from them. I always hear good things about their brushes, and I kind of figured they were really inexpensive in store, so I just got a few. I have the M532, which is going to be this one right here. And then I have the M518, which is this one. And then I have the M213, which is more like a smudger brush. And then I have a M510. I'm gonna use this one to like highlight my face. And then I have the M536. It's supposed to be used for concealer. However, I want to use it to apply like my loose setting powders under my eyes. I typically don't use brushes for concealer. I use my sponge, but I kind of figured I would just try this one. And then the other two are just going to be like my blending crease brushes. So I did get those brushes from Morphe, and I think in terms of Ulta, that's pretty much everything. Moving on into two products. I got these two products from, I want to say it was Walgreens. I saw on Trendmove that they had posted the Wet n Wild display in Walgreens, and they had this palette on here. It's going to be the Wet n Wild Megaglo Highlighting palette. It only costs $15. You do get 4 shades in here. You get White Lily, Blossom Glow, Golden Flower Crown, and Paradise Bloom, and I have none of them in my collection, so I figured I'd just go ahead and get it. So here is the inside of the palette. So it's really pretty. It looks like their other highlighters like Crown of My Canopy and Precious Petals. It looked like those. So this one right here is called White Lily, and then this one is Blossom Glow. The one on the bottom is called Paradise Bloom, and then Golden Flower Crown. I did use this one on my face, but I had to top it off with something else because it was almost too light for my liking. But I'm gonna give it a try one more time. I haven't dived into this one yet, but I did get it at Walgreens, and it retailed for $15. I wish they had a mirror on top, because for $15 I can at least get a mirror in it, but there's no mirror, so keep that in mind. And then I also picked up, it was by Profusion. They also had a display in Walgreens. It is their blush palette. You guys already know I have one of their blush palettes, but I haven't picked up a new one in a long time. Here is the inside of the palette. And let me actually show you the one that I already have in my collection from them. Alright, so this is going to be the new one. I freaking love this like deep berry kind of color. I think it's so pretty. The one next to it is really pretty as well, so I definitely wanted to get my hands on it. The one that I already had in my collection was this one. So it's somewhat similar, but not really, because you have more like orange colors in here, like more berry colors. Whereas this one to me is more like your like purple colors. So I did pick up the new one, and again I got it from Walgreens, and I want to say it cost $5, so it was super inexpensive. And you guys know I love their products, so definitely check it out. And then talking about Profusion, they did send me a few things in PR. I already showed you guys the eyeshadow palettes in like a previous video, but I never showed you guys the other products. This is going to be the Profusion 5-color face palette. In here you get a bronzer, a blush, and some highlighters. So this is what it looks like. I probably won't get any use out of this like yellow blinding looking highlighter, but I will definitely get some use out of the blush and the other highlighter, and maybe the bronzer, depending on if it's not too light. And I may use this blush right here in the corner, but you can definitely find this at Target, because Target does carry their collection. And then they also sent me their lip kit. I do have one of their lip kits on my lips right now. This one is going to be the one called Dream. It's like a nudie kind of color. In the lip kit, you do get a matte lip cream, a matte lip liner, and like a lip topper. So that one is called Dream. The next one is called Passion. It's a really pretty like red, kind of like red orange color. Same thing, you get the matte lip cream, matte lip liner, and the sparkling lip topper. But the one that I have on my lips right now is called Fantasy. And I will actually swatch these for you. I didn't want to swatch all of them because it's pretty much going to be just a different color but same consistency. So this one is called Fantasy. It's like a really pretty burgundy vampy kind of color. I will say applying it to my lips, I had to kind of go over it a little bit because it was almost applying kind of splotchy. But here is what it looks like for the lip color. And then for the lip liner, I will say if you're going to use a lip liner, make sure your lips is actually like hydrated with some kind of lip balm, because it's not a creamy consistency, so it doesn't glide on your lips. It almost tugs if your lip is dry. because my lips was dry and it was like tugging. It wasn't like gliding smoothly on my lips. So keep that in mind. But here is the lip liner next to it. And the lip topper is actually really pretty. I would actually use this with something else. But here is the lip topper. It almost reminds me of the one that I have from NYX. And I cannot think of the name, but it reminds me of it. But here is the lip topper right here. So again, I did get all three in PR, and I just kind of figured I would share it with you guys because you can get it from Target as well. And again, it's super pigmented. However, it does apply kind of like patchy, but you can easily build it up. All right, and then moving on into one more product. I did get this product in PR. It's going to be by Bad Habit Beauty. It's the Rosé Highlighting Palette. And let me just open it up so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, so here's the packaging for it, really cute. And then when you open up the inside, this is what the palette look like. You guys, these freaking colors in here are so pretty. And I wanted to use it today for my makeup look, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna save it for an actual tutorial. But these colors right here and this one have me so freaking excited. I'm just gonna swatch one. Look at that. And then let me put it right here. So it's like a yellow gold. It's not a true gold, but it's still really pretty. And again, you can get it off of Shop Hush. I do shop on their app because you get free shipping through the app versus if you shop on the website. But again, it's by Bad Habit Beauty. You guys know I talk about their eyeshadow palettes all the time because they're amazing. So I do have the highlighter palette and it's called Rosé if you guys want to check it out. And I think that's pretty much everything. So yeah, you guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Like always, please be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and let me know which foundation you want to see first, and I'll be more than happy to make that video for you guys in terms of my first impressions. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.